Welcome back to the deep dive. So today we're kind of leveling up, moving beyond just being parked in that CEX, the centralized exchange.
Yeah, exactly. We're heading into the digital city, Apertum.
But you can't just walk in. There's a border to cross, right? The
Ooh.
digital one.
That's the bridge. Think of it as the essential customs house. It's how you get in, how you onboard capital, your USDT, your ETH.
And crucially, how you get out. Your off-ramp back to Ethereum, BNB chain, maybe back to that CEX if you need it.
Without it, Apertum is basically cut off. The bridge is all about interoperability.
Right. And here's the core idea, maybe the first thing to really get. A token on chain A. It's just that it doesn't exist on chain B. Not the same one.
Absolutely not. The bridge isn't magic. It doesn't teleport anything. What it does is create a wrapped version. So you get something like WUSDT on Apertum.
A representation that can work on the new chain.
Yeah.
So how does that actually happen under the hood?
Okay, so there are basically two main models. For getting in, for entry, it's called lock and mint.
Lock and mint, okay.
Yeah. Your original token, say ETH, gets locked securely in a kind of vault on the Ethereum network. Then a wrapped version, wETH, is minted on Apertum.
So locked on one side, a new one created on the other. Makes sense. But what about getting back?
That's the reverse, burn and release.
Okay.
You take that wrapped token, the wETH on Apertum, and you burn it, destroy it.
And that action triggers?
The release. The original ETH is unlocked from that vault back on Ethereum and returned to your wallet.
Okay, that's the mechanism. But you mentioned security before, the whole custodian thing with the vault.
Right.
How do we trust it?
Well, transparency is key. The critical thing you see as a user is proof. You get 2 transaction hashes you can check on an Explorer.
Right, one for the origin transaction.
And one for the destination. This guarantees that one-to-one proof of assets. It confirms your wrapped token isn't just some fake IOU, Yeah. It's backed.
Got it. Proof is essential. So now we know how it works. Let's talk about how not to break it. The player's checklist.
Yes, hygiene first. Always confirm you're on the official bridge domain. Check for that little lock icon in your browser.
Because bridge clones, they're everywhere. Easy scam.
Oh yeah, one of the oldest tricks. Then, the absolute cardinal rule. The small test.
Cannot emphasize this enough.
Seriously, send like $10 first. See it arrive before you even think about moving $1,000 or more. It's not a suggestion, it's just smart. Prevents disaster.
Totally agree. I remember my first time felt super complex doing that small test, seeing the wrap token pop up.
Yeah.
Huge relief. It just calms the nerves for the real move.
It really does. Okay, next on the OG checklist. Confirm the correct network before you sign anything. Double-check the official site address. Never click links from Discord chats or random DMs.
Right. And check you're dealing with the correct wrap token address, the wToken. Sometimes there are fakes.
Exactly. And fuel. You need gas.
2 kinds, right?
Yep. You need gas on the origin network, like ETH or BNB, to send the transaction across. And then you'll need APTM tokens on Apertum, the destination side, for any future transactions you want to do there.
Okay, checklist covered. Now, what happens when things go wrong? The incident playbook. What's the biggest rookie mistake you see?
Oh, easily the panic click. The bridge seems slow, maybe congested, and the user just hits send again and again.
Duplicating the send. Bad news.
Very bad. Don't do it. If a transaction feels stuck, first check the bridge interface for something like pending migrations or transaction history.
And if it's really stuck?
Open a support ticket with the bridge provider. But, and this is critical, only give them the transaction hashes. Never, ever give anyone your seed phrase or private keys.
Never the seed. Got it. What if the transaction completes, but the token isn't showing in my Apertum wallet?
That happens sometimes. You might need to manually add the official wToken contract address to your wallet software so it knows to display the balance. Get that address from the official bridge docs, nowhere else.
Good tip. This also helps clear up some confusion, I think. Bridge versus swap versus CEX withdrawal.
Quick distinction. A bridge moves assets between different blockchains,
Yes.
across chains. A swap trades assets within the same blockchain, like swapping USDT for APTM, both already on Apertum.
And the CEX withdrawal.
That's pulling funds out of a centralized exchange. The danger there is selecting the wrong destination network. Send ETH to a BNB chain address from your CEX.
Ouch. Total loss, usually.
Pretty much. The bridge process, with its checks, is actually designed to be safer in that regard.
So bringing it all together, crossing that bridge, doing it right, It's more than just moving money, isn't it?
It really is. It's like a ritual. It confirms you're stepping out of that spectator role parked safely in the CEX.
And becoming an active player inside the digital city, inside Apertum.
And mastery here isn't about some genius-level insight. It's methodical. It's about process. If you don't track your moves, your hashes, you're just a tourist, really.
And if you lose your cool when things get slow.
You duplicate sends, you lose money. Simple as that.
So we'll leave you with this thought as you navigate this new space. True victory, real advantage in this digital city comes down to three things.
Calmness, especially under pressure. Proof, insisting on verifying everything. And cadence, sticking to the right procedures every time.
Calmness plus proof plus cadence. Yeah. Master the bridge, master the mindset. That transforms the risk.